The summer is near and the temperatures are rising, so the best option is to install an air conditioner in your premises. However, if there's no option for installing a full-blown two-piece air conditioner, then you're left with two choices: tolerate the unbearable summer heat or buy a portable air conditioner. Black Decker offers you the latter with its latest model. From a design perspective, this machine is specially designed for hassle-free setup and use. It's pretty much suitable for everybody. It packs a large and easy-to-see LED digital display. The intuitive and straightforward electronic controls allow for easy programming, allowing for undemanding operation during the times where you just want the room to get cool. The Black Decker comes with rolling caster wheels and side carrying handles to provide portability and mobility if the need arises. Now, let's talk about performance. This model is rated at 12,000 BTUs and it can cool rooms up to as large as 250 square feet within a really short period of time, so it won't take long before you notice the difference in the temperature within your house. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future.